Alright, what is that we have here?
My car door. Under an inch of
Whoa.
ice.
Look at that. Wow.
I've been out here for half an hour just trying to get in my car.
How'd you get that ice off?
I had to punch it.
Oi, let's see your hand. Does it hurt?
No. But this is from ice flying off the car and hit me in the hand.
See, I don't know if I can see it. Oh.
Just a little.
Oh, a little lump there.
No, the little pieces of blood.
Oh, I don't see it. Show me how slippy it is out there.
There's about 2 inches of ice right here. 2 to 3 inches.
Ugh. Yeah, you tried to shovel that, didn't you?
Look at all that ice.
Don't go out there.
Want to touch Daddy's hand? No, just. Is that cold? Cold?
Cold. Look it out there.
Continue on the mission.
Hey, are those branches frozen to the ground? I'm curious. Oh, yeah.
This is all ice.